Okay, I have just a short video for you today, going over some of the things that have happened on the 900 recently. So I've got the lenses off the tail lamps. I'm replacing all the bulbs in the back. They're all pretty black and burned out. I don't want to have to deal with them going bad one by one, so I'm replacing them all up front. I have the lenses off. They're inside the trunk here. So I took them out, and I think the seals were leaking, so I'll have to replace those, but the inside of the lenses were all green with algae and all dirty. These aren't perfect. They have some cracks, but at least now they're clean, so they should emit light better and also be more reflective. So I'll put this back. I also polished the lenses for the lamps that go kind of on the hatch, so this is a lot shinier. I have a spare over here that I got just in case these would crack. I found these a couple weeks ago at a junkyard, but at any rate, they're all dull, and you can see that's a lot better. So I imagine that's going to be a fair bit more reflective and safer at night. So I'm all for that. Simple job. It had to be done anyway. So I have that going on. I also polished the trim on the driver's side. I got around to that. I did the video doing the passenger side here. So that's done. Moving towards the front of the car, a couple things here. I painted the, I guess you'd call it a bezel for the headlamps, and I also painted the grill. I masked off the black parts and sprayed the silver paint. So now that all matches and looks a lot better. That's kind of a big difference there. Here, let's look at I still have tools out. It just finished working for the day. But I polished up this trim, so just like the other side, not perfect, but a lot shinier. That will definitely do. Now, in one of my previous videos, I mentioned about needing to replace the warm-up regulator and the fuel distributor, and I did do a fair bit of work under the hood and realized that let's just go ahead and have it rebuilt. You know, this car's 35 years old. It wouldn't hurt to have it running right, and besides, with what I'm seeing, I think that might be it. So the fuel distributor is out. I also have the warm-up regulator out. So I've got all the hoses marked. They should go only in certain places, and it should make sense, but with tape and marking everything, I just don't have to worry about it. So I have those on the ground over here. So I've got the warm-up regulator here, and then the fuel distributor and the float arm there. So I just have these hanging out here. I'm going to check on what all I need to do to get those sent away for rebuilding. So that's about it. I haven't had much time lately to do all the things that need done, but I'm still chipping away at it. I did have something happen with the 9.5 though. That's out on the driveway right now. We can take a look. Okay, this car's a mess right now. It's been sitting outside. I haven't been able to use it much. So this morning I got in the car, went to put the windows down. The driver's side went down. I thought, well, that's a little too far. I'll put it back up, and it didn't go. So we've got this hurricane on the way here. It's not raining now, but we've got rain expected. So I quick put this one back here, grab the Impala, and just put this bag over the window. I do have a switch on order. I'm 99% sure it's the switch, but anyway, so that's taped off, and then I will put a cover on this. I need to make a video about this vehicle sometime soon. But yeah, this is a 1999 9.5 wagon, frost gray. It has a manual transmission. Just been slowly working on it. This one was another one of my cheap buys that's just getting fixed up, but this is a great car. I really like this one. Excellent to drive, looks cool. It's in pretty nice shape. Excellent. All right, so that's it. So I'll have updates soon on the 900, and then with this switch, maybe I'll make a video about that. All right, thanks for watching.